I'd like to say excuse me to my LGB family. I know this is not the proper venue and all, but let's just take it out there. Okay lang ba yun, Mas? Oo, no? Ian was interviewed before I came here. He was in Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Hindi ko siya nakausap ng isang taon na. Ian and I have not spoken in 1 year. So many things have been said about me, about Matet, about my two brothers. I have never said anything. Why? Because nirerespeto ko pa rin ang mami ko. At nirerespeto ko ang daddy namin na si Christopher Bello. A lot of things have been thrown about me through time, even when my mom was alive, and I did not say anything at all. And yet people keep throwing stones at me. Walang utang na loob. Paulit-ulit. Suwayin na anak, walang datang tao. Okay. If that makes you happy, so be it. Pero ang hindi ko matitig ay ang isang sinungaling na tao. I came out with a statement a few months ago because what was being thrown at me is mana. Yung mana na yan, just to clarify, Ma'am Misty, I'm sorry po. This is about the show, but I'm really sorry. I apologize. Anyway. Okay, mana. Let me be clear. Wala akong hinahabol na mana. Wala akong hinihinging mana. Ni piso wala. Kaya kong magtrabaho at magpakahirap, magpuyat. Simula nang namulat ako, buntot ko ang ila ko. Hindi ako humingi ng tulong at hindi ako naging pabuga sa mga magulang ko. Kaya huwag niyong ipato sa akin ng mana. Dahil kaya kong magsumikap at maghirap. Kung ano man ang niiwan ni Mami, mga lupain niya sa Bicol, yun lang ang meron siya. Alam niya ni Rodel. Tanungin niyo yung mga tao na nakaalam. Alam yan ni Rodel. Wala namang ibang naiwan ng Mami kung hindi yun.